Hello again, Todd Spears here, and in this video I want to talk about Client Hunter. And Client Hunter is a tool that we designed to go out and find sites that do not have structured data or do have structured data, and whether or not they're running WordPress. And we use this as an SEO agency to go out, and what you want to try and do is find sites that are on Google with no structured data and WordPress. And then it's really simple to get in contact with them, make them a good offer, and sell them, the opportunity to work with you to increase their rankings. So what I've done here is I simply put in the keyword wedding singers in Dallas, Texas, selected any Google, any country, and I selected like page 2 or 3, I believe. 2 pages here. I'm really looking for people that are either on lower page 1 or 2 or 3, because they're going to be pretty decent sites. So right away we have some information: what position they're in, whether they have structured data, and whether or not they're a WordPress site, and again, the position they're in. So let's go down here a little bit. Here's a no structured data and a yes to WordPress. So this is definitely probably a really good candidate to touch base with and bump them up with Project Supremacy. YouTube's no good. Here's another no and yes here. Okay, here's another no and yes here. Here's another no and no, which is fine. You can always use the HTML injector to get the code in there. Here's another no and yes here at 16. So you can see there's plenty of opportunity here. Again, even if they're no to WordPress, you still have the opportunity to use the HTML schema injector. Okay, once you've selected a few sites, you want to click up here, select non-structured websites, and click here to generate email. So I click here, and I want to take a look and make sure that I've got a decent email. Okay, good email here, good email here. Okay, this found some random name domain stuff, but here's a good one. Yucatan1 at Comcast.net, tech at not at Yahoo Inc., and no contacts found. Okay, so that's not a good one either. So that's a pretty good one, and this is a good one. So actually this came out pretty good. We were able to find all 4 pretty good emails. And if you can't find a good email address, because sometimes you just can't, you can obviously always just click here, opens up the site, hit contact, fill out their form. There's his email right there, of course, but you can hit their site and work out a deal, contact them that way. All right, but let's go back for a second. So what I want to do here now is build a profile. So now that you've created your profile, you simply want to fill in. You want to load it, and it'll automatically fill in all of your information. We have multiple sending methods here. You can contact each of these providers individually and get an account to send your mail through. You can also send it through your own server, or obviously a lot of these. So once you've done all that, then you simply come down here and create a nice email that reaches out to them and lets them know that you probably have a way that can help them get better rankings in Google. You may want to test working on this first contact here, but I've just put an example here where you can put in the short codes from this list right here, and then basically when you're done, you can send a test email to your own email address, which you have up there in your profile, and then you can just send email to all clients, and it will bulk email all of the people that you've selected in that list. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one.